2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x equal to a to the power 3. So we can factor out one of this 2 to the power x. So if we bring 2 to the power x, then we can now say 1 plus 1, because if we open this bracket, 2 to the power x will be this, and 2 to the power x times 1 will be this. So this is equal to 8 to the power 3. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, and so we can now have 2 times 2 to the power of x, and this is equal to 8 to the power of 3. So from here, of course, this is 2 to the power of 1 actually. So from the law of indices that says for any x to the power of a times x to the power of b is equal to x to the power of a plus b, we can now have this to be 2 to the power of 1 plus x is equal to 8 to the power of 3. Alright, and we also know that 8 is equal to 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, so which is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so if we substitute this now into this 8 to the power 3, we would be having 2 power 1 plus x is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Okay, so from the law of indices, we know that so any x to the power of a times b is equal to x, so a times b is ab. So if we now multiply this, we'll be having 2 to the power of 1 plus x is equal to 2 to the power of 9. So at this point, we notice that they have the same base, so we can equate the powers, and then we'll have 1 plus x is equal to 9. So if we subtract 1 from the both sides, 1 minus 1 plus x is equal to 9 minus 1. Of course, this becomes 0, and then we'll have x is equal to 8. So the value of x is 8. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.